Hi YouTube. So today I'm gonna show you a little Dollar Tree haul. Another one I got was these ice cube trays that I might use them for something else or just use them for ice cubes, but I was considering of doing working with resin, and well, let's see what comes out of it. Another thing they have is this pretty good looking Hawaiian theme. So I got this in purple and pink. A little bit more fix it all, I was running low. I got some of these hooks because I have a macrame basket and I haven't been able to hang it because the only hook I have over here is like super high, and I needed this thing. Found these on basically a special occasion section. We're gonna be working with these. So here you can put the tassel and then you put your senior's picture right there. Found it to be pretty cool. I got these in actually 3 different colors. This is actually, I'm gonna do a video doing simple hanging baskets, macrame hanging baskets using this cord. So for the baskets, we're gonna get some snacks. I found this one at the store. I mean, it's just a simple cup. Grab glasses. Just found it humorous, you know, a little bit funny. So one of those stones for like pedicures or whatever. And I found these. So there is this YouTuber, she uses one of these to work with the hot glue or any type of glue, a hot tube. So found them at the dollar store. Some chapstick, nothing big. A little comb thingy, of course, the basket that we're gonna use. Another one of these. Actually, this is not, so my kids actually like these, so, you know, my boys. It is 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. And it smells pretty good. So we found this, I found this hand sanitizer. It was actually sitting by the registers. I'm guessing they're keeping it that way so people doesn't just take them all and just go away. This is not related to basket thing, but I do the keto diet. Well, I found these. So coconut oil, 100% pure refined, no GMOs. So there you go. I found a coconut cooking spray. So that's just for my keto diet thing. Whenever I completely get back on it. So, senior rubber ducky. That doesn't squeak. It doesn't squeak. I found these 10 LED lights in the shape of the stars. Always a good thing. These are pretty good. I bought them for different stuff, and the red light that you see right there, we had cats, so I'm pretty sure they'll enjoy it. Dish soap, dispenser, and I bought, so I got all 3 different versions of these jars. I'm planning on probably doing a bathroom decoration with it, so we'll see about that. Got flip-flops, no biggie, flip-flops, you know. So I found this little picture frame. I thought it was pretty cool. So it had the clipboard thingy right here, and then I guess you clip the picture right there. It doesn't have any glass or anything. And then it says live for the moment. It has a kind of, it's plastic, but it have a wood look like to it. Of course, a senior card or graduation card. Dough cutters, like Play-Doh and stuff. So it has seashells and a couple of things. So I got some of these. I have something in mind. So some makeup, some screwdrivers and parts. Snacks. Can never go wrong with these. This is not really related. I got all-purpose flour because I'm planning on using a recipe from Hot Humble Pie. I'm gonna link her channel down below. She's really nifty like that. She got a recipe for wooden beets, and I'm gonna try it both ways. They have one that you have to bake, and they have one that you don't have to bake. Another thing for the keto, it is the coconut. Another sweetener substitute that is low glycemic sweetener. The strings for the hanging baskets and stuff. Another string that I bought. Might not be used for a hanging basket. I might do a purse with this. I like this color. This is my favorite color. So more makeup. I'm gonna, after I'm done creating the baskets, I'm gonna try this. I really wanna try. So they got these at the dollar store. I kind of found it funny. Bought a coconut cups. So I was surprised they brought this. So this is a plant pot draining dish with wheels for $1. I got 2 at the moment, but I thought I got 3. Okay, so seashell. Actually, there is something we used to do with these in Puerto Rico when I was growing up, when I was in the crafting class. But they're real shells, but we could get them that big. I found this little guy and I thought he was cute. The removable contouring set, eyeliner, and a little bit more lipstick. This one I'm actually not going to use it for a hanging basket. This one I got a surprise for a friend of mine. I got a project for this. Got this bag. Like I said, I bought 2. And I bought the scarf. I also found this huge plate that I looked at and I was like, I can do a couple of things with that. But let's see. This thing is. And another scarf. You'll see what we'll do with it.